Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Every adversity, every failure, every heartache carries with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. The starting point of all achievement is desire. The only limit to the height of your achievements is the reach of your dreams and your willingness to work hard for them. Success is not the result of spontaneous combustion. You must set yourself on fire. Strength and growth come only through continuous effort and struggle. Happiness is found in doing, not merely possessing. The only way to riches is to render useful service. Your big opportunity may be right where you are now. If you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. Action is the real measure of intelligence. No man can succeed in a line of endeavor which he does not like. Opportunity often comes disguised in the form of misfortune or temporary defeat. Every person who wins in any undertaking must be willing to cut all sources of retreat. Only by doing so can one be sure of maintaining that state of mind known as a burning desire to win. Most great people have attained their greatest success just one step beyond their greatest failure. Set your mind on a definite goal and observe how quickly the world stands aside to let you pass. When defeat comes, accept it as a signal that your plans are not sound. Rebuild those plans and set sail once more toward your coveted goal. Effort only fully releases its reward after a person refuses to quit. There are no limitations to the mind except those we acknowledge. The ladder of success is never crowded at the top. You might well remember that nothing can bring you success but yourself. Desire is the starting point of all achievement, not a hope, not a wish, but a keen pulsating desire which transcends everything. Your only limitation is the one which you set up in your own mind. Education comes from within. You get it by struggle and effort and thought. Every person who wins at any undertaking must be willing to burn his ships and cut all sources of retreat. Great achievement is usually born of great sacrifice and is never the result of selfishness. Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes. You are the master of your destiny. You can influence, direct, and control your own environment. You can make your life what you want it to be. Self-discipline begins with the mastery of your thoughts. If you don't control what you think, you can't control what you do. Patience, persistence, and perspiration make an unbeatable combination for success. The man who does more than he is paid for will soon be paid for more than he does. You are the master of your destiny. You can influence, direct, and control your own environment. You can make your life what you want it to be. If you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. It takes half your life before you discover life is a do-it-yourself project. A goal is a dream with a deadline. The only thing that stands between you and what you want out of life is the will to try it and the faith to believe it's possible. One of the most common causes of failure is the habit of quitting when one is overtaken by temporary defeat. Every adversity carries with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. A quitter never wins, and a winner never quits. It is literally true that you can succeed best and quickest by helping others to succeed. Cherish your visions and your dreams as they are the children of your soul, the blueprints of your ultimate achievements. Remember, no more effort is required to aim high in life, to demand abundance and prosperity, than is required to accept misery and poverty. Success is achieved and maintained by those who keep trying with PMA, positive mental attitude. Fears are nothing more than a state of mind. Success comes to those who become success conscious. The way to develop decisiveness is to start right where you are, with the very next question you face. Most people have attained their greatest success just one step beyond their greatest failure. There is no substitute for persistence. It cannot be supplanted by any other quality. One of the most important principles of success is developing the habit of going the extra mile. The majority of men meet with failure because of their lack of persistence in creating new plans to take the place of those which fail.